Hey, I'm going to show you some helpful ideas for packing for your next road trip. So a couple things starting up here, of course, is your phone holder to help with your GPS, which goes right down to the charger. This area I'm kind of keeping just open for the driver. So, oh, in here, these are just wristbands to help if you're getting road sick, and we are going to be driving through some mountains, so I thought they might be helpful. So those are just tucked in there along with the phone charger. And here, this is, hey driver, you got to stay awake when you're driving. So there's candy and gum, and that's basically what this is. So it's in easy reach for that driver. Another thing up here is a cushion. These are so nice and really help with sitting for a long time. So doesn't put as much pressure on your spine. So which helps with people who have sciatic nerve problems and just struggle with sitting a long time. Also in here, just a small travel size umbrella. In this, I just have things like scissors and nail file, those kinds of things, registration, etc. Up here, while there's no babies, having just some wipes are super helpful. You get into something sticky. Toilet paper in case there's none where you stop. Quite helpful. Napkins, lots of napkins. And then these cute little salt and pepper shakers. Because, you know, sometimes it's just not as good when you get the little packets and you want more. So here they are. So here I have a visor organizer. Just because I really wanted to have a place to store the hand sanitizer so I wasn't scrambling to try to find it every time. Put some chapstick in, little sticky notes and a pen. That's about as far as I've gotten. So just to have things to grab and not having to struggle to find them. All right, in the back seat I have just a little storage dispenser here where I put a bag and a bunch of just like Walmart folded up bags at the bottom, but then it's a nice little access for trash. And if anything's smelly, like a banana, bye-bye to the smell. Also back here, I ordered these little organizers, one for each of the back of the seats here. So the kids can put in their headphones, put some tissues in there, and then books, writing utensils, whatever else they decide that they're gonna put in there. Another idea I had for keeping blankets and just little, these are just the little My Pillows, which are super small. Puts a couple blankets down there that are super soft, just so things aren't laying all over the floor. And then people can put them back when they're done. And then back here, just of course having more tissues because you just never know. Here's how things are looking in the minivan, ready for the trip. Also a little bag for snacks right there in the middle. Nice little stand-up bag. Easy to reach, pretzels, popcorn. And my last idea back here was just using a carabiner. I did not want my hats to get smushed in any way. So hung them back here just to keep them safe.